Shopify remains a leading e-commerce platform for businesses of all sizes. It offers a wide range of tools and features to help merchants create and manage their online stores, including website design, payment processing, inventory management, and marketing tools. With a focus on innovation and user-friendly interfaces, Shopify continues to provide a seamless shopping experience for both businesses and their customers. Additionally, Shopify has expanded its offerings to include services such as fulfillment, advertising, and financing to support the growth of online businesses. Creating a one-product Shopify store in 2024 can be a lucrative business model for beginners. Here is a step-by-step ultimate guide on how to set up your one-product store. Step 1. Market research. Start by conducting market research to identify a niche product that has a high demand and a unique selling proposition. Look for trending products or untapped niches that have the potential for growth in the future. Step 2. Choose your product. Once you have identified a profitable niche, select a single product that you want to sell in your store. Consider the product's popularity, profit margin, and market competition when making your selection. Step 3. Create a business plan. Develop a business plan that outlines your goals, target market, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Establish a budget for your one-product store, including costs for product sourcing, website development, and marketing. Step 4. Set up your Shopify store. Sign up for a Shopify account and choose a domain name for your store. Select a theme that complements your product and customize it to reflect your brand identity. Add product information, high-quality images, and compelling product descriptions to showcase your single product effectively. Step 5. Design your store. Create a professional and user-friendly website design that enhances the user experience and encourages conversions. Ensure that your store is mobile responsive and optimized for SEO to improve visibility and attract organic traffic. Step 6. Add payment gateways. Set up secure payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify payments to offer a seamless checkout process for your customers. Implement SSL certification to protect sensitive information and build trust with your audience. Step 7. Implement marketing strategies. Develop a marketing plan to promote your one-product store and drive traffic to your website. Utilize social media marketing, influencer partnerships, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience and generate sales. Step 8. Optimize for conversions. Monitor and analyze website analytics to track performance metrics and optimize your store for better conversions. Conduct A/B testing on product pages, CTAs, and marketing campaigns to improve your store's effectiveness over time. By following these steps and consistently refining your strategies, you can successfully create a one-product Shopify store in 2024 and build a profitable online business. Good luck!